Hi, I'm Mace, CEO of the Barefoot Masters. Here is a brief tutorial on how to upload your own CEs. We report CEs to the state of Florida once a week, and then more often as we get closer to the last month of renewal. But if you want to renew sooner, this is how to do it. So go to the website of CEBroker.com or use the app on your phone. I'm using a desktop computer, so to check your account, just sign in using your email and password, and then click Login. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up and follow the necessary prompts. You don't have to pay anything to do this. So once you're in your account, as you can see here, I've not completed my CEs of yet. So up in the right-hand corner, you're going to see Report CEs. We'll click on that, and then you're going to see a plethora of confusing options. No worries, it's just this first choice that's crucial, and everything else is easy after this. Okay, so for Florida courses, click on the first option, Classroom or Instruction Approved by the Florida Board of Massage. That includes online classes, ethics, whatever, all of that. For NCBTMB course providers, which I am as well, then choose the next to the last choice, but only if you took a class from one of my instructors in another state or took an online class before March of 2021. If you're in the state of Georgia, then you're going to choose this one as well. They're just going to want the course name and the provider, which is the Barefoot Masters, and how many CEs, and of course the date. But for Florida, click the first option, even if it's an online course. And if you took a Florida online course for hands-on before March, just contact us. Now for the easy peasy part. So it's going to ask you for your date on your certificate. You just click on that, and then the provider. You can use the name of the provider or the number of the provider, which is 502045, or you can put the Barefoot Masters or Mace. It's going to come up. So if it says no provider listed, then you clicked on the wrong option and you need to go back. So here you're going to put in the name of the course, and it's going to pop up, but there's maybe way too many options. So I recommend using the course number listed at the bottom of your certificate, starting with the 20. This is important because there are two different online courses. So once you choose your course, you're going to see at the bottom it's going to either say relevant to the focus of massage, general, or a live broadcast, or you're going to see the listings for ethics, law, or medical errors. And you're going to put the list of CEs in each box. You will get an error message for general if you put more than 8 CEs. So correct it by just putting 8 CEs, and then click continue. Now it's going to ask if you want to upload or keep your certificates in your records. It's a personal choice. I'm going to say I will keep it in my files, especially if I'm doing this on my phone. And then I'm going to mark yes to say I will keep the records, and then click continue. This next page, you're just going to read and agree that all of this is correct and true, and then click submit CEs. Now, it's possible that a message will pop up if we have already reported them. I'm not sure since I can't go past this point, but I'm guessing you're going to get a happy face and now you can renew your license. So if there's any problems, just contact us during regular business hours. And thank you for your business and happy renewal.